You will need the Soclean CPAP adapter and diffuser for Respironics Dreamstation and System 1. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main Soclean hose. You will no longer use the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in future. Open the reservoir lid. Feed the injection hose down into your reservoir through the port. Close the reservoir lid. Attach the adapter to your reservoir. Do not detach the injection hose from the adapter at any point. Connect the main hose from the Soclean to the stem on the side of the adapter. Contact us. Visit www.soclean.com. Call 1-866-501-3705. Email support@soclean.com.